Okay, let's start out with the local Docker deployment. So I am navigating to the test environment to where I'll be copying the code to. And so while that's happening, let me just tell you something about the model. Basically, the model is hosted on Hugging Face. You can either directly access it or you can clone it with GitHub, or you can also use the Python integration. In our case, we are using Docker, so we don't need to do that. Okay, it looks like the repo has been copied. Let's go to VS Code. Okay. And then here it says that we need to navigate to serverless. Okay, and so my Docker is not on. Okay, let's just double check that that loaded correctly. Okay, it did. And then let's build the image. Okay, so while the image is building, you can see that here in the Docker file is where the model is being directly accessed from the Hugging Face. And just some things about the model itself is we have ended up with ElasticNet B0. We also used Exception and MobileNet. ElasticNet B0 ended up having the highest validation accuracy of 91%. It was the lightest model, and it was converted from the Keras to the On and Next format. The results for scoring each of the food category is about the same. There is a slight difference between the pre-processing, because when I was testing in the local environment, I used the Keras efficient net pre-processing, but when we are packaging the code into Docker, it really needs to be as lightweight as possible. So there were some adjustments made, but nonetheless, the image classification is about the same. Let me see. The image has been built. So let's run the image. And then as you can see in a separate terminal, we are going to go to serverless. And we are going to run the python test.py. Okay, so you can see that the hamburger is the food category that is the highest. And so just for your reference, the image that we're looking at looks like this, and it is indeed a hamburger. Yes, the image brightness is not the best. The image quality might cry sometimes. There's also right here, there's a Tabasco sauce that serves as the noise, and I believe that's a cup. However, that did not prevent the model from yielding good results.